Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate fudge, easy method. Line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment and set aside. Combine sugar, butter, and evaporated milk in a heavy saucepan. Heat gently and stir constantly until mixture reaches a smooth simmer. Remove from heat, then stir in chocolate chips and vanilla until fully melted and glossy. Pour into the prepared pan, smooth the top, and let cool until set before slicing and serving. Start by combining sugar, butter, and evaporated milk in your saucepan and stirring constantly. Keep the heat at medium-low so the mixture reaches a gentle simmer without boiling over. Maintain steady stirring to prevent sticking and to dissolve sugar evenly. Once it simmers and thickens slightly, remove from heat and immediately add chocolate chips and vanilla for a smooth, glossy finish. Quick and steady heat control makes a creamy, rich fudge every time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh while you run baking errands, because life's too short for a stinky car. It pairs oddly well with the chocolate aroma on the way home. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After the chocolate melts, fold in your chosen mix-ins like chopped nuts or marshmallows for texture. Experiment with dark, semi-sweet, or milk chocolate chips to change the fudge sweetness and depth. For flavored variations, add extracts such as peppermint or orange very sparingly so they complement the chocolate rather than overpower it. Press any toppings gently into the surface before it sets. Chill until firm, then slice into squares and enjoy with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.